Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix text message not receiving issue on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, and you are unable to receive text messages on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to general and then go to about, and from here check if there are any career updates available for you. So guys, if there are any career updates available for you, you have to simply update it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go back and go to software update and update your software to the latest version for one time as well. So guys, do this and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here as well. So I simply turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this, go back and go to language and region, and then scroll it below and tap on region and change your country or region from here and select your correct country from here. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to go to apps and go to messages from here. So guys, go to messages, and from here you have to simply turn on iMessage from here. So guys, if it is off, you have to simply turn it on, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.